$19.99 for one piece of lasagna at the Olive Garden. And I made this entire pan for probably less than that. And it's my nephew's birthday, and this is what he requested. So I had to make it anyways. So when my Anthony wants lasagna, he gets my lasagna. So let's go. Okay, my ricotta, it's all drained. I drained it overnight in the refrigerator. So now, let's do our mixture. 1 egg. Parmesan cheese. Italian seasoning. Pepper. And some parsley. I was gonna say fresh parsley, but it's not fresh parsley. I had to grow more. Well, I need to grow more. Okay? And then just a handful of cheese. Now this is a mixture of provolone and mozzarella. And we're just gonna mix together. Now, my water is almost boiled and salted. And my oven is also preheated at 350. While the pasta is cooking, I have my sauce already here. This is my marinara sauce. You have to check it out. All right, and then this is 1 pound of the 90% ground meat, already cooked. And I didn't season it because there's enough seasoning going into this lasagna. And our cheese and our ricotta, and we have all our seasoning and fresh mozzarella. Olive oil, the marinara sauce, yeah, so $19.99 for one slice of lasagna. I think I'll pass on that. In one slice, especially at the Olive Garden. Alright, and we're just gonna throw everything down. I'm gonna put 2 here. Okay, more sauce. And I'm just using my hands today with the cheese and with the meat. Now our ricotta. And you don't have to spread it out because when it's cooking, it will spread. Meat. I told you I was using my hands. Cheese. More sauce. Now, if you are going out to eat, where's your go-to restaurant to get lasagna? I don't know if I have one, but let me know. Especially if you're in the Boston area, let me know. I can always go for a good bowl of pasta. So send me a comment. Okay, and this is going to cook for 1 hour or until all the cheese is melted. Oh my gosh, that's heavy. Oh my God, that's heavy. Now the lasagna has to rest for 45 minutes to 1 hour. All right, I'm heading out. I'm going over to Anthony's with his lasagna. Go for it. You're the taste tester today. So it's good?